Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a wallet backup with Trezor, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a wallet backup with your Trezor device, start by connecting your Trezor to your computer. Use a USB cable to establish the connection. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to wallet.trezor.io. Once the page loads, click on Access Wallet. You may need to enter your PIN to access your device. After entering your PIN, the wallet interface will open. In the wallet interface, look for the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. From the settings menu, select the option labeled Backup. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a backup of your recovery seed. Make sure to write down your recovery seed on a piece of paper. Store the written recovery seed in a safe and secure location. Do not share your recovery seed with anyone. Once you've recorded the seed, confirm that you have stored it properly. Trezor will prompt you to verify your recovery seed by entering the words. Follow the instructions to confirm your recovery seed word by word. After successfully verifying, your backup is now complete. Remember to keep this backup safe, as it is crucial for recovering your wallet. Your Trezor device is now securely backed up, ensuring your funds are protected. You can safely disconnect your Trezor device from your computer. Always make a backup whenever you set up a new device or wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.